Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 12S, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on the system navigation, so the second option, and obviously here we've got 3 key navigation which we've got currently applied. Before we'll set the gestures, you can tap on settings here and customize the 3 key navigation. So for example, you can reorder the buttons or hide navigation keys, so that's quite nice. So let's start with setting the gestures. Just tap on this option. Your device will ask you whether you want to go through the tutorial. I don't want to do it because I already know how to use them. I will also explain everything to you. You can enter the settings and here, okay, later. You can see that instead of the 3 buttons, we have nothing actually. We can show navigation bar if you prefer to have this, this line applied. It's up to you. I prefer to have it hidden. You can slide across bottom to switch apps, and you can try out gestures. So a quick tutorial of how to use them. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center and do it quite quickly. So you can see this arrow. However, do not hold this arrow for too long because you will open this additional window. So just swipe it like that or like that, because it works from the right and the left side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And here you've got the home page. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold it somewhere here like that. So elongate your gesture like that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.